So the Naval Sustainment System is a system and really a journey we started on back on October 1st of last year. We started at FRC Southwest. And the ideas and the grounding principles of NSS, it's process improvement, it's continuous improvement, it's standardized work, it's change management.
It's getting that product back to the fleet faster, delivering that high quality product in a shorter period of time so that the fleet has it available to be able to use it, and then allow us to increase our throughput.
And ultimately the end state, the desired end state of NSS is for us to be able to achieve a system where we have the highest quality of components and aircraft going out with the shortest cycle time at the lowest cost.
When NSS began, we drove the idea that the artisan should be treated as a surgeon. So the support groups and tools that he needed and parts and material that he needed should be provided to him.
Now we're bringing the work to them on the floor through some of our process improvement methods. We're listening to them and taking feedback from them.
And they don't have to get up and move for parts, piece parts, equipment, whatever they need. We want to bring it to them and let them do their daily jobs.
We organized our teams in order to accomplish the tasks that were required and to accomplish them in a more rapid fashion.
The big change that we did was each aircraft now has a dedicated crew of approximately 19 to 20 people with a crew lead. And they stay with that aircraft from the day it comes in till the day it flies.
That focus was what enabled us to ensure we were working on the right things at the right time and gain speed.
We embarked on this journey, and the reason is we just didn't have enough aircraft. The requirement was to have 341 mission-capable Super Hornets within the year. And I'm happy and proud to say that we not only achieved 341 mission-capable aircraft, we hit 360, 370 plus aircraft.
It led to success because we worked in a teaming effort with all stakeholders and everybody working collectively for a common goal.
They were focused principally on how do I get more velocity out of the system, whether I'm moving an aircraft or I'm moving a component through the system.
Let's go through the weekly numbers.
So all of our production efforts are done from production control. They're directed from production control. You walk in now and there is a visualization of all the work that's in progress. So we have boards for each aircraft that's in flow, broken down by sections of the aircraft and different phases of the work to be accomplished.
At any given time you can walk in there and you can see what is going on the production floor and know exactly what's happening with each of the pieces of equipment, whether it's an aircraft or a component.
It allows us to know exactly who's on each team and which folks are doing what work at a very specific time, and we're able to work through it that way.
The flow of work is going to be in a direction that allows us to get that work out in a much better flow, so our throughput is going to be a lot better.
The new aircraft that are coming online, we need a system like this in place where we can quickly get after barriers, remove them, and have that standard work is key so that when folks come to work, they have the right tools, the right equipment, the right tech data in order for us to keep producing and producing. Because when we talk shortest cycle time, that's going to be the difference.
Now with the new Naval Sustainment System, particularly with the ability to raise an issue right up through the very senior levels of our stakeholder organizations, there's new empowerment, I think, with getting those issues resolved much faster and much more effectively than what we might have been able to do in the past.
Myself personally have been empowered to work toward a mission because now I understand what our place is in the facility as it takes part to the NAE, which is huge.
Again, what we do, without the artisans, none of this is possible. That is the most important tool that we have. It's not a piece of support equipment, it's not a toolbox. It's our artisans and it's our sailors. They're the ones that do the work.
All we want to do is we want to come to work. We want to put out that product for the warfighter. It's our way of being in the game with the warfighter for whatever they need us for, and we want to be a part of that.
And I'm happy and proud to say that our organization was accepting, we learned, and now I don't think that there's any way that our FRCs will go back to the way that we've done business before. This is the new standard, it's the new normal, and this is what we'll continue to build upon as we go forward.